greetings and welcome to the fall theme blog challenge, and it's fall themed, anything goes, and you could choose between using 3 of the following: owl, leaves, acorn, sticks, moss, cheesecloth, coffee filter, tea bag, or inks and sprays. And I used basically some leaves, not real leaves, everything is paper or fabric. I used leaves, cheesecloth, and coffee filter for this particular project. Short and sweet, really easy. And basically all it is just a journal folio. And in it I used 2 of the Multimedia Crafts Digital Blog freebies. One of them is, it's part of the Pixel Scrapper blog train, and it's called Beautiful. And it's the October 22 blog train freebie. And then I also used the Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook page freebie called Beautiful Envelope. So, and I just added those in there, some stickers, some scrap papers, just little things like that. And it has more of a Halloween theme, and it's kind of out of my comfort zone because I usually don't do Halloween stuff. I don't know why, I just don't. But anyway, I decided I'd just go ahead and do that anyway. So here's what it looks like, and this little image here is from the Beautiful, this one, and this little dress form, and some of the things in here are from the freebie blog train. And so you have a little dress form. This is the coffee filter behind it to make it look like it's an extra part of the dress. And then you have fall fashion, and I got the cheesecloth on there, and I just did a little bit of stitching throughout, and this flips out like that. Let me back up a little bit because I think I'm a little bit too close. Okay, so this flips open, and you have like a little pocket here, you have a pocket here, and I had some leftover Halloween stickers from a previous project last year, and that's why I just decided I'd just go ahead and use it since I'd already had it. And I just added some of those little stickers from that little sticker book in here. Like I said, it's kind of out of my comfort zone. I don't know why. I'm just not into Halloween a lot like some people, which to each his own. So this background paper, that's also part of the Beautiful blog train, that, and then the purple, and then it has this little spider on here, that's also part of the freebie. And then I made this little pocket, and have a little word search. Now this word search came from the Autumn Breeze digital kit on the Etsy shop. And then I have a vintage magazine page. This is an authentic magazine page that came from, I forgot what, it's one of those magazine pages. But anyway, that's what that is. And I'll stick that back down in there. Okay, and then we have this little envelope that I added on. I just kind of stitched it on there, and you can put something in there. And this is that freebie envelope, and then it has that same image of this right here on there. So it's like a complement of the kit, the little envelope is. And then we have some stickers, a little pocket right here, and this little tag comes from the freebie kit. And then these open up, and those 2 little fuzzy balls, the yellow and purple, are from the freebie kit. And then I just added on stitched on some papers for a journaling spot. And I just added some stickers, and then this is coffee dyed paper, and it's got that little scary looking Happy Halloween thing. And then this is some more paper from the freebie kit, and then this is just a piece of coffee dyed ledger paper, or whatever paper that is. Then this opens up, and you have a little pocket here, and you have a pocket here, And I used one of my little paper clips, my magnetic paper clips that I made in my last video, and paper clipped on this coffee dyed envelope that I made. And just stick that back down there. And then you just have some more journaling space. And this is from We're Baking and Crafting Meet. This was from her Autumn's Breeze digital kit, as well as this flower on here. But that was from another video. And then you just have some more journaling space. You can add another paper so you can see. More journaling space, tuck spot. And this is just some coffee dyed receipt paper. And a booklet I just put in there. And then you come to the back, and that's pretty much it. It's just really short and sweet. Short and sweet. So go over and check out my blog if you want to participate in the blog challenge on Multimedia Crafts Digital. And I'd love to see what you make. Just post it on the Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook page. And check out my other videos, my blog, and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.